Good morning children. Regarding this lesson, ways to multiply and divide la assignment number 9, this full of word problems. Okay, well, we have seen certain problems already. Now I am going to continue with the problem number 4 ma. Okay, well, see listen, only few more problems. 1, 2, 3, only 4 problems are left for us. In the 4 problems, 2 problems I will be doing. 2 problems I will be explaining you. You have to complete that sum. Okay. Now let us look into this problem. How many minutes are there in an ordinary year? Okay va? ஒரு வருஷத்துல எத்தனை மினிட் இருக்குன்னு கேட்டிருக்காங்க. ஓகேவா? See listen, 1 year has how many minutes is a question. Okay. First look at here. First we will need to know what do you mean by ordinary year ma? Ordinary year க்கும் leap year க்கு என்ன difference? Ordinary year we have 365 days. Okay va? A leap year will have 366 days. Okay. So number of days in an ordinary year. Or ordinary year la how many days are there? 365 is there. Okay va? சரி ஒரு that is first வந்து 365 days இருக்குன்னு தெரியும். First one day பத்தின calculation தெரிஞ்சாதான் we can go and multiply for 365. Okay, first we will look for number of hours in a day. Number of hours. Okay va? Number of hours in a day. How many hours are there in a day ma? In a day we have 24 hours. ஒரு நாளைக்கு எத்தனை hours இருக்கு? 24 hours. Okay va? Then we have to calculate the number of minutes. Number of minutes in a day. One day க்கு எத்தனை minutes இருக்கு நமக்கு தெரியணும். Okay va? See listen. First you should know 1 hour has how many minutes ma? 1 hour has 60 minutes. அப்போ 24 hours க்கு எத்தனை minutes? Okay va? 1 hour has 60 minutes. அப்போ 24 hours க்கு எத்தனை minutes? So what will you be doing? 24 multiplied by 60. We will be getting one answer. Okay va? Say listen. 6 4s are 24, 4 carry over 2, 6 2s are 12, 12 plus 2 evrama it is 14. This is 1440 minutes is there. Okay, see listen, one day how many minutes are there? One day 1440 minutes are there. One day எவ்வளவு அப்படினா 365 க்கு எவ்வளவு? Okay வா? See listen, this is for one day ma. One day this much minutes is there. So for 365 how many minutes will be there? One given asked for many means we have to go for your multiplication. Okay. So the next step is then we will be writing as number of minutes. Okay va? Number of minutes in a year. Appo 1 year ku how much அப்படினா it is 365 multiplied by 1440. You will be getting us the number of minutes of a year. Let me explain you once again. Number of days in an ordinary year it is 365. Okay. If a number of hours in a day. First let's talk about one day. One day has how many hours? 24 hours. One day kitna hours? 24 hours. அப்போ நமக்கு hours answer தேவையில்லை. We need the answer in terms of minutes. Okay, so let's go on. அப்போ number of minutes in a day. One day க்கு how many minutes we have to know. Okay, we have a hint. What is the hint அப்படினா 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. அப்போ 24 hours க்கு how much minutes? 24 hours க்கு we have 1440 minutes. 1440 minutes. This is for one day. Let us calculate for a year. So number of minutes in a year is equal to 365 multiplied by 1440. You will be getting one answer. Okay, wow. I hope you understood with this problem. Okay, you have to complete with the multiplication. Children, your ninth problem. A typist types 8,06,400 words in 8 hours. Find the number of words that she can type in 10 minutes. Okay, but see listen, இவ்வளவு words. Okay, these much of words in 8 hours. Okay, but the question is asked for 10 minutes. See listen, the answer is asked in terms of minutes la da ketirukanga. Okay, but see listen, we have to convert the hours into minutes to start with the problem. இவ்வளவு words எவ்வளவு minutes la, அப்போ that we will be getting for 1 minute we will be getting some sort of words. And for 10 minutes, how much we will be calculating it? Let me explain you. A typist types this much of words Okay va, in 8 hours question is asked for about 10 minutes la avanga evlo adichirpaanga. First, using these two numbers, what we are going to do அப்படினா, we are going to find out the number of words typed for 1 minute. Okay, 1 minute க்கு how many words would have been typed? இப்போ 1 minute க்கு அப்படினா what we have to do? We have to divide this with the minutes. 8 hours is given. I have to convert this 8 hours into minutes. 1 hour is equal to how much minutes ma? 60 minutes. அப்ப 8 hours is equal to 6 8s are 48. It is 480 minutes. So we are going to divide this 8,06,400 words divided by 480. Then we will be getting number of words typed in 1 minute. The next step, number of words typed in 10 minutes we will be calculating. So what are the statements you will be writing here? The statements are, first one, number of words. Okay, total number of words. Total number of words. Okay, so how many words are there? It is 8,06,400 words. Okay, then number of minutes. Number of minutes in 8 hours. 8 hours la ethana minutes? What we are going to do? 8 multiplied by 60. Because converting the hours into minutes, we have to multiply it. Okay, 6 8s are 48. It is 480 minutes. Appo 480 minutes la these amount of words are typed. Let me know about how many words typed for 1 minute. Number of words typed. Number of words typed for 1 minute. 1 minute க்கு எனக்கு தேவை. Okay va, see listen. Say 480 minutes ku this much words. Appo for 1. Okay va, many given asked for 1 means we have to divide it. Okay va, so let us divide it. It is, we are going to divide it by 480. Okay va, where do we do my calculations? Let me start with the calculation here. Okay va, first say listen, in the numerator there is 0, denominator is also there is 0. Okay va, so I can go for some cancellation. Let us cancel something. Okay, let me cancel that 1 0 or 0 kammi aichu. Then remaining have to divide it. See listen, it is 80640. Okay va, that is getting divided by 48. What is getting divided by 48? And you have to complete this calculation. See children, you have to complete this calculation using minimum number of steps. You can do it. Using minimum number of steps அப்படினா, see listen, I can start with 1000. Shall I start with 1000? If I start with 1000, what will happen? 48 miss 1000 ஆல multiply பண்ணனா how much will come? It is 48,000 I will be getting. See, this is already 80,000. அப்ப நம்ம 2 times shall we go over? 2 times பண்ணா it will be more than 80. So let us go on for only one time. One time I am going to divide. It is 48,000. Okay, well let us subtract it. It is 0, it is 4, it is 6. And what about this one? This changes into 7. It is 2. Apart this one is 3. Okay, well, so I am getting as 32640. Okay, what is the next division I am going to do here? Already I have taken 1000. Okay, well, next what will be going? Will be going for 500s. Okay, so for 500 abdina 48 multiplied by some 500. Let me see how much is coming there. Okay, wow. So about 48 miss வந்து 500 ஆல I am going to multiply. அப்ப 5 ஆல multiply பண்ணுங்க. 5 8s are 40 க்கு 0 carry over ல 4. 5 4s are 20. 20 plus 4 it is 24. And you have to include these two 0. Okay, it is 24,000. This is already 32,000. Appo we will include 500. Okay, let me include 500. This is 24,000. Let me subtract it. 0 is 4, 6. Then this is 8. Okay, so now I am having as 8,640. Okay, what is the next thing I can put here? 100 is over ma. 100 so that we got 500. Then I have to go for 10s. Okay, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70 it should go. Okay, see listen. What is the nearby thing I can put here? Shall I put one more 100 ma? Shall I put one more 100 so that I will be getting us 4,800? Yes, I can put it. Say I want to do this sum in an expanded form. Let me explain it with enough space. I hope you understood up to this. Okay, well, I'm going to rub it off. Then I'll explain this division in a full format. So now let us continue with the division mass. It was 80,640 divided by 48. In the step we had the problem as it is 806400 divided by 480. Numerator and denominator last value is 0. So I cancelled the 0. Then we had this number. Okay. See, listen, as we have to use a lesser number of steps to complete the division. Okay, see, listen here. Now look at here. We have to use our 1000. Why we have to use our 1000 means if 48 kuda miss 1000 include panna mothama ethana digits varum 48. அப்போ இங்க ஒரு 2, இங்க 3, இங்க 4, இங்க 5. அப்போ total of 5 digits will come. Already there is 5 digits. That's why we are going to use thousands. 1000, 2000, 3000. I can use a number of 1000. First we will use 1000. Now what will happen? It is 48,000. 48 into 2000 quota, I am getting us 96,000. Can I put here 96,000 to subtract it? No, I will not be able to subtract. So I have to opt for only 1000. Okay, so one time I am having here. So it is 48,000. Either miss subtract pandra 0, 4, 6, and this is 2 and this is 3. Okay, say listen. The next thing, how many digits are here? 5 digits are there. If I am going to use 1000, one time use pannale, I am getting us 48,000. Can I put 48,000 here to subtract it? I will not be able to subtract it. Appo 1000 length kammi pannittu varalam. Okay, shall we reduce it? 1000 length kammi pandrom appadina 900, 800, 700, 600 like that way we can use it. Okay, what we are going to use it appadina, let us use like 700 use பண்ணி பார்க்கலாம். That is 48 multiplied by 700. Okay, 48 multiplied by 700. First you multiply with the 7 alone. 7 8s are 56 will come. 6 carry over 5 will come. 7 4s are 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33. Okay, I am getting us 33 and along with this 2 zeros will come. See, this is 33,600. This is 32,640. If I am going to subtract, going to put this value, I will not be able to subtract it. Appo adha vida kammiya ponga. What is less than 700? Minus 600. So it is 48 multiplied by 600. Okay, 6 8s are 48, 8 carry over 4. 6 4s are 24. 24 plus 4 it is 28. Okay, we have to include 2 zeros. Now I will be able to subtract it. So what is the value of 600? I am putting here 600. It is 28,800. Let us subtract now. 0, 4. Have to borrow here. It is 8 and 8, 9, 10, 11. So here 3 will come. Okay, so it is 3,840 is here. 3,840 is there. Okay, next step is I can't go for any 100 now because if I am going to put here 100 abdina enna vaayum abdina 4,800 I can't subtract it. Appo reduce that. Okay, well let us reduce this 100. 100 reduce panna enna varum 90s I can take, 80s I can take, 70s I can take, 60s, 50s, 20s. It can go on. Okay, but it should come near to 3,000. Okay, so what I can take abdina, let me take some 80. 80 eduthu paakalama. 8 8s are 64 ku 4 carry over 6. 8 4s are 32 will come. 32 plus 6 available 38 will come. So it is 380. Say listen, we got this answer. So it is plus 80. So we got the answer as it is 3840. Subtract it, we got the answer. Add up this value. What is this value? This value is 1000 plus 600 plus 80. So we are getting as 1680. What is this answer, children? This is number of words. Okay, the words typed in. Number of words in 1 minute. 1 minute words we got it. Okay, it is 1680. But what was the question? My question is asked for 10 minutes. I have got the answer for 1 minute, but I have to calculate it for 10 minutes. So what we are going to do? Number of words. Okay, number of words typed in 10 minutes. Number of words typed in 10 minutes is equal to what we are going to do. 1 minute we have it, but we need the answer for 10 minutes. So it is 1680 multiplied by 10. The answer is 16800. I hope you understood. It is 16,800 words. 16,800 words. I hope you understood with this problem, children.